Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Monday, June 24, 2019, our 1946 Chris Craft U22 Deluxe Sportsman is running for the first time in 4 years, having been completely rebuilt by Robert Henkel, Peter Henkel Incorporated. We always run these engines before we go to the lake, and we're kind of watching the weather. We at least want to complete this step. She's running nicely. We find a leak here or there. The exhaust elbow was leaking a little bit, so we're snugging that up with RJ's baby pipe wrench. But she's just stunning, still a little dusty. We'll clean all that off. If we don't get her down to the lake today, we will do it on Wednesday. We've got rain in the forecast tomorrow. What else is new? Our hardware was all done by Mickey Dupuis, D&S Custom Metal Restoration. Her lettering was painted by Vital Signs in Colchester, Vermont. Joni Alden did that work. Her gauges were restored by Kocian Instruments in Minnesota. And we did the rest, as you well know. But she's rumbling along just as nicely as can be. So we'll let her keep running for a little while, get up to temperature, make sure the thermostat's opening and all those good things. And be back to you when we have her down on Lake Champlain. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.